So guys, this is an update on Bitcoin for today. So let's look at how the market is going to go for today. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and then I have demarcated the levels already. Currently we have the market moving below a pivot point, which is 68,500. That's the current pivot point. And since the market is moving below the pivot point, then we know that the market is in a short-term downtrend. Now what we're going to do is that currently this is the 4-hour time frame, and then since the market is moving below the pivot point, and then the time right now is 11:40, it's almost 12, so for this 4-hour candle to close. And then when you look at it closely, you realize that this particular 4-hour candlestick, once it closes bearish, the next 4 hour is also going to be bearish. So let's take to this. Don't forget that once this particular candlestick closes bearish, the next 4-hour candle is going to be bearish. So we are going to look for only sell. Okay, so you change the time frame from the 4-hour to, let's say, 1 hour. You can see clearly from the 1 hour that the 1 hour has created a support trying to push to the upside. But I told you, the higher time frame, always your decision must match the higher time frame. So the fact that there is a support created in the 1 hour does not mean that you should buy. No, because in the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour, there is a bearish signal. So you have to wait for a confirmation of a bearish move, and then you sell the market. Don't buy because you are seeing this. So what you should do is that change the time frame to, let's say, 15 minutes time frame. Allow the market to retrace to the upside. Once it's created new resistance and the market start pushing to the downside, then you join the downtrend. That puts you as a high winning rate rather than losing rate. So always let your decision match the higher time frame. Okay, so once the market retraces and then create a resistance and you see a bearish signal, then you sell the market. As simple as that, because this current 4-hour candle is bearish and there is high probability that the next 4-hour is also going to be bearish. Notwithstanding, the market is making a higher high formation, which is a bullish signal, but because of this particular resistance the market created in the 4-hour, that is pushing the market to the downside, and so you don't have to buy, rather look for a sell opportunities. Okay, so if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and then comment as well. If you have any questions, just put it at the comment section there and then I will respond to you later. Bye bye.